This. Yeah, so yep. So tell me when you pop in, what's your favorite crystal? I want to know. Like, so, balance the goddess within, guys. This is what I want to do. This is what Beaded and Balance is all about. A Beaded and Balance is all about balancing the goddess within, and we want to use our platform, our products. We want to use everything to be able to help you with that. We also have like our platform, meaning like our social media, the content that we put out, everything that we put out is to help you balance the goddess within. And balance is that temperance card. That's that being able to have that duality, I guess. So you'll see funny things that are funny. You'll see all type of things and content on our platform because it's all about balance. You'll see sexy stuff. You'll see what else will you see? You'll see sexy stuff, sacred stuff. That's a good word. I was trying to think of a good word. You'll see self-care, a lot of self-care things, a lot of things that's going to help you with your with all chakras. That's going to help you with your physical. Being with your root chakra, stability, physical, with your sacral chakra, that's creativity, sexuality, with your things about your solar plexus chakra, and that's that confidence, that's that intuition, trust in your gut, your heart chakra, that's balance, harmony, love, gratitude. Then you have your throat chakra, your things about communicating, speaking your mind, things about balancing all of these chakras, different herbs, different affirmations. So about balancing the goddess within, that's what we're going to do, about balancing the goddess within, and that is our affirmation of the day. Our affirmation of the day is I know I can make it through. I know I can make it through. That's our affirmation of the day. That's the affirmation that that we're going to talk about. I know I can make it through is something that is some powerful words. No matter what you're going through, that's something. No matter if you're having a good day or a bad day, you know you can make it through. Um, and especially if you having tough times, if it's hard to get up, it's Monday, it's a holiday, but you still might have to get up and go to work, or if you have things that are going on in the background, but you still have to get up and show face, that's a good way that you can use that affirmation, and being able to repeat that affirmation and sing it in a song, or just connecting it to something that you have on, like a bracelet or a necklace. So when you look at it and you feel it, you can remember that you will make it through whatever it is that you're going through. So I come up with the affirmation because I was going through one of my old and my very first actually gratitude journal, and trying to figure out a really good affirmation to set the tone for the day. And I actually just turned to this page, and I wanted to read a little bit about, or read a little bit of the excerpt in the journal so that you can see and hear where I know I can make it through comes from. So this was December the 21st of 2018 at 7:20 a.m. in the morning, and I wrote, I am thankful for endurance. I know I can make it through. Even though I'm tired, I can make it through. Even though I'm stressed, I can make it through. Things are not going as I planned, but I will get it done. Everything seems to be going wrong, but I am going to make it through. My bills are due, but I can still accomplish my goals. My body is in pain, but I can still get it done. I know I can accomplish my goals. I might lose focus, but I will get it done. I might get frustrated, but I will make it through. So that was the 21st. And then, so the next morning on the 22nd, I wrote at 7:11 a.m. I am thankful that I made it through this week of work. Last week of the year at TAP, and I started cleaning another building with Service Master. I am learning how good it feels to reward yourself after you endure. I endured this work week. At times I wanted to stay in bed, call in, cry, go off, but I stayed the course. I worked every day. I didn't overstress about Christmas shopping and myself worked up because I didn't have everything done that I wanted to. I let things go and ideas like getting teachers gifts and staff gifts. I'm proud of myself. I paid my bills first before shopping, and today I will get some Christmas shopping done. I will not overwhelm myself. I am not in a hurry. I am positive at all times. I'm in a good mood. I can let it go. I don't need this, and I am patient. So yeah, that is my excerpt, and that is our affirmation of the day, which is I can get through this. So if you have a gratitude journal, or if you want to start one, the key to a gratitude journal is to write positive, happy things, even if positive or don't seem to be positive and happy things are going on. You can still write in a way to make it positive. You can figure out how to find gratitude in what you have going on, and it really helps heal when you do that. And figuring out and learning how to do that, how to write it in a positive form when it really doesn't seem positive, writing in the future tense and things like that. So yeah, guys, I know that you can make it through. I can make it through the day too.